I love their ducks. What's better than one duck? 6 ducks! What's up guys, Wayne Stevenson here, and today we just got in mystery package. Actually, it's not a mystery, I peeked. We've got our SKR 1.4 turbo boards. These ones are made by Bigtreetech. All 6 of them. So let's have a quick peek while we're at it. Behold, the SKR 1.4 turbo. Beautiful. Now, I don't have any of the stepper drivers in there because they haven't arrived yet. So once they come, I'm going to show all you guys how to set this up with the SKR. Set up your stepper drivers for the SKR 1.4 turbo. Thanks for watching. Oh, hey guys, good news. I just remembered that I did have an SKR 1.4 turbo board set aside that I'm using for the MP CNC build that I'm doing. This one here's got the TMC 5160 stepper drivers in there. They're a little overkill for a 3D printer, but they look fantastic. That particular build I'm using the TFT 24 touchscreen, which is a beautiful screen. However, for the 3D printer projects, I'm doing it with budget in mind, seeing as I'm building so many of them. I might go back and buy one of these guys for it, but I'm using the RepRap smart controllers, which they're these guys right here. You got a SD card slot in there, knob, alarm, reset button. Just printing myself up a 3D benchy right now with some transparent PLA from G-Tech. Gonna add to my benchy fleet. Come on, let me show you. The new additions to the fleet. Guys, I think I have the largest naval fleet in all of Canada. Here's that transparent PLA from G-Tech I was just telling you about there. Still getting the temperature dialed in there. Pretty soon I will have it perfected. Yay! Anyhow, that is what it will look like with, I mean, it'll have different stepper drivers, of course. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little bit of eye candy for you guys. Talk to you later.